Good morning, students. Let me continue rational numbers. So, in the rational numbers, let us do additive inverse of each of the following. So, what do you mean by additive inverse? When a rational number is given, if you add the additive inverse of that rational number, it is equal to 0. So, you should get 0 when the additive inverse is added. So, write the additive inverse. So, additive inverse means just changing the sign. When plus is given, you have to write the negative of it. When negative is given, you must write the positive of it. So, additive inverse of 2 by 8 is so it is positive. So, you can write minus 2 by 8. Additive inverse of 2 by 8 is minus 2 by 8. How will you verify it? So, add now. When you add here, it is having same denominator 2 plus minus 2. Two different signs. Subtract. 2 minus 2 is 0. 0 by any number is 0. Yes. Additive inverse of 2 by 8 is minus 2 by 8. Similarly, what is the additive inverse of minus 5 by 9 is? What is additive inverse of minus 5? It is in negative. So, you must write the positive of it. So, plus 5 by 9. So, how will you write now? Yes, you add both of it. Again, the denominator is same. Add the numerator. Minus 5 plus 5, two different signs. 5 minus 5 is 0. Okay, understood? Yes. What is this? Minus 6 by minus 5. So, minus minus gets cancelled. You will get 6 by 5. So, what is the additive inverse of 6 by 5? Yes, if it is positive, you must write the negative. Minus 6 by 5. Minus 6 by 5. Now, add these two. Plus 6 by 5 plus minus 6 by 5. So, the denominator is same. Just add the numerator. Yes, 6 minus 6 is 0 by 5, 0. Okay? Then, what is additive inverse of 2 by minus 9? When 9 negative is wherever it is, if it is in the numerator or in denominator, it doesn't matter. It is minus 2 by 9 only. Okay? So, what is the additive inverse? Additive inverse is it is negative. You must write the positive. Okay? Then add now minus 2 by 9 plus 2 by 9. So, what is minus 2 plus 2? Yes, 0 by 9, that is 0. Okay, understood? Yes. Similarly, this is nothing but minus 19 by 6. What is the additive inverse of it? Denominator is same. 6 minus 19 plus 19. Yes, two different signs. Subtract. 19 minus 19 is 0. 0 by any number is 0. Okay. Now you know what is additive inverse? Yes. You know what is additive inverse. When plus is given, you have to write minus. When minus is given, you have to write the plus sign. Just changing the sign, you get the additive inverse. Verify that. Minus of minus x is equal to x. For 1, x is equal to 11 by 15. So you know minus of minus x is equal to x. We know that because minus into minus is plus. But here we have to verify. So how will you write? So let me substitute for minus of minus x. Left hand side. Let me substitute. Minus is there. In the bracket minus is there. For x I must substitute 11 by 15. Okay. So minus into minus is yes plus 11 by 15. What is 11 by 15? Yes. Yes, verify. Isn't it? Very easy. Again he has given the x value as minus 13 by 17. He has given minus 13 by 17. So let me consider the LHS minus of minus x. So minus of minus, what is x? Yes, x is again minus 13 by 17. So now you multiply which is inside the bracket. So minus into minus is plus 13 by 7. Again, minus into plus is, yes, minus 13 by 7. What is minus 13 by 17? Yes, which is equal to, okay. So minus of minus x is equal to x because minus into minus is plus. That you know. Isn't it? Next. Inverse of the following. It is given. The multiplicative inverse is nothing but the reciprocal of the given number. Because when you multiply the multiplicative inverse with the given rational number, the result is equal to 1. Because 1 is the multiplicative inverse. So, when you write the multiplicative inverse of the given integer, what will you do? You have to write the reciprocal of the given number. So, let me write the reciprocal of minus 13. minus 13. So what is the multiplicative inverse? Yes, multiplicative inverse of minus 13 is 1 by minus 13. 1 by minus 13 or minus 1 by 13. Anything is correct. Okay. Then minus 13 by 19. So just you write the reciprocal because it is in the form of p by q. So multiplicative inverse of minus 13 by 19 is, see here the sign won't change. Only in additive inverse the sign will change. Whereas in the multiplication, the reciprocal you have to write keeping the sign same. So minus 13 by 19. Why it is called multiplicative inverse? See, when I multiply minus 13 by its reciprocal, so what you will get? 1. So 1 is the multiplicative identity. So it is called multiplicative. Third one. 1 by 5. What is the multiplicative inverse of 1 by 5? Tell me. Yes, very good. 5 by 1. 5 by 1 is 5. Isn't it? So I can write multiplicative inverse of 1 by 5 is 5 by 1 is nothing but 5. You can write if you want it is equal to 5. Okay? The fourth one is, what is the multiplicative inverse of so first you multiply the given number. Minus into minus plus. 5 3s are 15. 7 8s are 56. 7 8s are 56. Isn't it? Then. So what is the multiplicative inverse of? By 56 is nothing but its reciprocal. So what is its reciprocal? 15 by 56 will become 56 by 15. So you can write it as nothing but 56 by 15. Next one. Minus 1 into minus 2 by 5. First multiply. Minus into minus plus. 1 2s are 2. 2 by 5. What is the multiplicative inverse? Yes, just write the reciprocal of it. So, multiplicative inverse is plus 2 by 5 is 5 by. Okay, understood? Yes. Next one. Minus 1. It is minus 1. So what is the multiplicative inverse? So reciprocal you must write. So write in the form of p by q. 1 by minus 1, which is minus 1. So what is the reciprocal multiplicative inverse of minus 1 is? Minus 1 itself. Okay? The same thing you will get. Next. Name the property 5. Name the property under multiplication used in each of the following. See, you must name the property. So here the rational number is multiplied with 1, isn't it? If 1 is multiplied with the given rational number, you get the same number, same rational number. So minus 4 by 5 into 1 is equal to 1 into minus 4 by 5 is equal to minus 4 by 5. So it is multiplied with 1. The rational number is multiplied with 1. What is 1? 1 is the multiplicative identity. 1 is the multiplicative identity. The property used here is 1 is the multiplicative identity. Next, the second one. So here minus 13 by 17 into minus 2 by 7, that is A into B is equal to, yes, B into A, isn't it? So which property of multiplication? A into B is equal to B into A. Very good. Commutativity. So here which property is used? Commutativity. Commutativity or commutative property of multiplication. You can write. The next one. So with which you multiply, you get 1. That means you should get when it multiply with its reciprocal. So when you multiply with reciprocal, what will we call? Yes, to get 1, what will we call? It is nothing but multiplicative inverse. When you multiply with its reciprocal to get 1, the property used is multiplicative inverse. Understood? Which property is used? In the first one, it is multiplied by 1. So, 1 is the multiplicative identity. In the second one, it is A into B is equal to B into A. So, it is commutativity of multiplication. In the third one, it is multiply with its reciprocal. So, to get 1, so that is multiplicative inverse. Okay? Then, sixth one. See the question now. Multiply 6 by 13 by the reciprocal of minus 7 by 16. So, here it is given 6 by 13 to be multiplied with reciprocal of minus 7 by 16. What does its reciprocal means? What you will write? You just write the inverse of it, isn't it? So, 7 by 16 will become 16 by 7. Plus into minus, minus. Anywhere you can put the minus, no problem. What is 16 6 are? Anything is simplified? No. 16 6 are 96. Very good. 6 6 are 36. 3 carry. 6 1s are 6. 6 plus 3 is 9. 96. What is 13 7s are? Yes, 91. 7 3s are 21. 2 carry. 7 1s are 7. 7 plus 2 is 9. So, minus 96 by 91. Okay. Tell what property allows you to compute nothing but 1 by 3 into 6 into 4 by 3 is equal to 1 by 3 into 6 into 4 by 3. See, all the numbers are same. Yes, 1 by 3, 1 by 3, 6, 4 by 3. So that is nothing but it is multiplication. A into B into C is equal to A into B into C. So when 3 occurs, what is it? You tell me. When 3 occurs, what is it? Yes, it is nothing but associative property of multiplication. Associative property of multiplication or associativity. Associative property of multiplication or associativity. Okay. Is 8 by 9 is the multiplicative inverse of minus 1 by minus 1 into 1 by y or y naught. So, what is the concept of multiplicative inverse? The result should be equal to 1. So, 8 by 9. So, the multiplicative inverse of 8 by 9 is yes, 9 by 8. 8 by 9 is 9 by 8. What is minus 1 by 8? 8 ones are 8, 8 plus 1 is 9. So, minus is there. Or they say, no, the sign are different, isn't it? So, it is not the multiplicative inverse. Because if it is plus, you can say it is multiplicative inverse, whereas the sign itself is changed. So, you can say it is not a multiplicative inverse. There. 9. Yes. 0.3. The multiplicative inverse of y or y naught. So, what is 0 by 3? 0.3, 3 by 10, because one decimal point, it is in 10th place. So, what is the multiplicative inverse? 3 by 10? Yes, 10 by 3. Multiplicative inverse is reciprocal, you have to write 10 by 3. What is 10 by 3? When you divide 10 by 3, 3 3s are 9, 1 by 3. So, are they same? Yes, they are same. So, you can say yes, it is the multiplicative inverse. Okay, then write a rational number that does not have a reciprocal. So, number which doesn't have a reciprocal is 0, isn't it? For that, there is no reciprocal. So, the number which doesn't have a reciprocal is 0. The rational number that are equal to their reciprocals. So, when you write the reciprocal must be same. So, what is 1's reciprocal? 1, 1. What is minus 1 reciprocal? Minus 1, 1. See, if I write 1, 1 by 1. So, what is the reciprocal? 1. What is the reciprocal of minus 1? So, the reciprocal are same means it is 1 and minus 1. They have same reciprocals. Which does not have reciprocal is 0. Okay. The rational number that is equal to its negative. So, 0 is neither positive nor negative. So, you can say 0, only for 0 you can say both are same. Okay. Next one. 0 as dash reciprocal, no reciprocal. The numbers dash and dash as their own reciprocal. Just now only we told 1 and minus 1. What is the reciprocal of minus 5? 1 by minus 5, or you can write minus 1 by 5. Okay. Next, the reciprocal of 1 by x. What is the reciprocal? Yes, x by 1, that is equal to x. The reciprocal of 1 by x is x. Then, the product of two rational number is always a rational number. If you multiply any two rational number, the result is also a rational number. That is closure property of rational number. The reciprocal of a positive rational number is positive. The reciprocal of positive rational number is positive. The reciprocal of negative rational number is negative. Okay. So, because it is reciprocal, not additive inverse. Okay. So, hope we have understood this. Let me continue in the next class also. I will send the notes. If you have any doubt, please call me. Thank you, students.